Amid the implementation of the Model Code of Conduct ahead of the imminent Lok Sabha elections for the Shillong and Tura constituencies, the Chief Election Officer of Meghalaya, BDR Tiwari, clarified the provision of relief by representatives of various constituencies to those affected by the recent storm that swept through the state on the 31st of March 2024.
As per the MCC, all these local area funds for the honorable public representatives, it will not be executed. But government has own revenue and disaster management department, so all the relief and other work will be taken up through the department.
Tiwari further disclosed that as part of the arrangements for the forthcoming election slated for the 19th of April 2024, the state government has approached the centre for the deployment of 40 battalions of defence forces to ensure law and order during the specified period.
Matter has already been taken up, progress is happening, and whichever polling station is not properly electrified, so temporary connections will be provided by the MECL before the poll. So around 15-16 as per decided by the DCs, so all the places will have the electricity connection. Some issues related to the proper lighting inside the thing, so that from our end we have already separately communicated to the DCs. Moreover, most of the polling stations, except around 11% polling stations, are having permanent toilets. So all the functionality of the toilets will be ensured, and moreover, the work is going on to cover more and more. But if it will not be covered by that time, wherever, so temporary toilet facilities will also be provided, and similarly for the water availability also. In view of the rain, the approach road, etc., then emergency operations, all the concerned people, so the concerned department have to make the necessary arrangement and preparedness, so the movement should not be hampered. And moreover, the queue, whatever will be in the polling station, then rain shelter, some set arrangement, waterproof, all those arrangements also to be ensured. We are taking up through the deputy commissioners. We have received a communication to have 40 CAPF companies for the state. So 5 companies are already there in place, so most of the companies, once they arrive, then they will be deployed accordingly as per the plan. So district-wise breakup, once it will be deployed, then it will be.
What about the border areas? District areas?
All the needful arrangement are already been taken up, and so border-related issues are also being taken, and for that, ECI is also issued the needful instruction, and we are state authorities in concern with the neighboring states across the country. Now we are having 3,512 polling stations. So those things have been worked out based on all those challenges, keeping in mind, and 32 new polling stations, while 2 polling stations are being merged with each other. So all those things, arrangement already been considered in advance. So urban apathy and youth apathy, these are the 2 basic challenges what we face during our election time. So we have done the turnout implementation plan up to the booth level, and the most of the polling station having lower voting percentage or decrease in the voting, all other aspects we have worked out, and we plan our strategy as per the polling booth, as per the ACs and the district wise. So grassroots level institutions like Darbar, schools and other social institutions are also we are partnering with, and all the strategies being worked out, and moreover through the media, through our volunteers, BLOs, the intensive exercise and activities at the grassroots level, it is already ongoing. So we are very confident to have with this TIP. So it is very elaborate, and I am confident that up to larger extent we will be able to come over those apathies